I got my hair braided. 10, 12, 1, 2, yeah, 6 hours. Yes, I was counting with my fingers. No, I don't care. I'm pregnant. Play with somebody else. But anyway. Get your feet off me. Y'all, I look like what I have been through. I feel like it. So I am 36 weeks pregnant today. Thank you, Jesus. Baby A comes literally in 1 week and 1 day. We just had our first baby shower on Sunday, and then we're having another baby shower in Philly because I'm from Philly. So we had a New York baby shower on Sunday. Now we're having our Philly baby shower Sunday coming up, and I want to show you guys. I'm not doing a baby shower haul. It's way too many gifts to do that, but I figured like y'all can nest with me. So I don't know if I'm going to include the nesting stuff I was doing before, like getting my house together, because I don't think that is like important, but y'all can nest with me so that we can start getting this stuff together for baby A. Okay. Let me get up because I've been out all day. Went to the doctor's today. Baby is doing great. Yes. Went to the mall to get my baby bag. I'll show that. And we'll nest. We will nest in this vlog. Let me show y'all what I have on. I look so cute. My doctor was like, oh, you've never worn red to your appointments. Oh, you pulling out all the stops, because last week I was dressed up for my appointment. The week before that, I dressed up for my appointment. She was like, oh, you're pulling out all the stops towards the end. Because in the beginning, honey, I was one piece mama. But let me show y'all what I got on, and I'll show y'all the gifts. So it's this cute dress from Shein, this maternity dress, and I had on my Gucci sandals, and I had a hat on, but yeah. So here's all the stuff we got from our first baby shower. Well, not this box. This box has some treats or something in it. That's with some of our like giveaway things. But this is everything we got from our first baby shower. And we still have some things in my husband's friend's car because it wasn't enough room for us to bring all this stuff home. So let's nest, and I'll show y'all some stuff, but I gotta get down to it, okay? I gotta put me first, Lucius. I gotta put me first. No, I gotta get to it. So let me just do what I gotta do, okay? Okay. Alright, y'all, so this is gonna be a really quick intro. I'm starting to get ready for labor and delivery, so I'm getting my hair braided today. Alright, so this is what we're doing. Get ready with me to prepare for baby A's arrival. Good morning. So my hair is done. The lady in the braid shop was like, oh my God, I don't know how you're doing this. She was like, when I get pregnant, I just wear cornrows. I don't even know how you are sitting here. So I got there at 9. She started at 10:30. And then she had to separate the hair and all that stuff. She started at 10:30. We took a little break around 3. And then like another little break around like 4:30. So technically I was literally only there and I left by like 4:45. Maybe, matter of fact, I left at like 4:30. So 6 hours in total. I feel like it took maybe 5.5. And it was just one person in my head. And I got medium gypsy braids. I think it's 6 hours. 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 6 hours. Yes, I was counting with my fingers. No, I don't care. I'm pregnant. Play with somebody else. But anyway, and then I came home last night and I literally like took my clothes off, put my pajamas on, and crashed out on the couch. My husband came home. We cooked dinner together, but he cooked dinner that food was so good. I can't wait to go in the house and eat some leftovers. So right now I'm headed to go get my eyebrows done. I have my maternity massage today, and that's been like one thing that I feel like has been like keeping me like comfortable, because I haven't really been in a ton of discomfort. So I've been going once a week for maternity massages since maybe like April, so since my second trimester. And I also feel like that's been keeping the swelling down, but my feet are like puffer fish now. Like, they are swollen. You can see my lips are swollen. I do not have preeclampsia. I get checked for that at every visit. All of my weekly visits, they check the ketones. My blood pressure is fine. It's just that I'm at that point where I'm swelling. I had to take my wedding band off because it got stuck on my finger the other day because my hands are swelling. But yeah, so I'm gonna go get my eyebrows done. I'm trying to decide if I want to get lashes because my lashes have seemed to fall out. I don't know if it's hormonal or what, and so I'm trying to decide if I want to get lashes. But if I do that, that won't be today. That would be one day next week. And yeah, I'm gonna come back home and then start doing some more nesting stuff because baby A will be here in 6 days, and we are still opening gifts from our baby shower. We still have another baby shower to attend of ours, and we have nothing organized. So yeah, it is crunch time. All right, so I will see y'all after I get my eyebrows done. Yeah, it was on Sunday.
Okay.
And then I have another baby shower this weekend. It's going great. All right, guys, I got my hair braided. We are still nesting. I guess this is considered nesting. I don't know. Like, we're still opening up our gifts from our baby shower. Baby A is so blessed. We are so blessed. And then we have another baby shower in 2 days. So our goal tonight is to get all of this stuff open and sorted. We're going to our new house. We're staying here. And then to at least wash his clothes so that we can start folding them and putting them away. And some of his clothes are going to go up the street to our new house too. So let's get down to opening up some more of these gifts. And yeah, my feet are swollen. My legs are swollen. But we got stuff we got to do. Okay. So mess with me.
Forever is never enough, babe. And we already started late. Don't wanna leave it up to fate. I got the key ready to go where you and drive. Take all my worries and my fears away on this ride. It's time we decide. Make it plain as day. We're running out of space. Running out of places to run to, but I know that I want you. So can I get a lifetime with you? I just want a lifetime with you. Can I get a lifetime with you? I just want a lifetime with you. Can I get a lifetime with you? I just want a lifetime with you. Can I get a lifetime with you? I just want a lifetime with you. Forever is never enough, babe. And we already started late. And if we leave it up to fate, tell me how long will we have to wait for an answer?
So I'm at the nail salon getting my feeling before baby A's arrival. I'm tired. Let me put my sunglasses on. I feel like I look like what I've been through. We are at the final stretch. I hope y'all can hear me. Listen. Okay, I feel a little better. But yeah, so I'm at the nail salon. I'm getting my final manicure and my pedicure. I get my last prenatal massage on Monday, and I get my, what's the other thing called? What's it called? A facial on Tuesday. So I'm preparing for my little baby. Self-care is the best care. All right.
So decide, babe, right here, right now. I'll take all the blame if we wrong, but we don't have all day. But I know that I want you, so can I get a lifetime with you? I just want a lifetime with you. Can I get a lifetime with you? I just want a